Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Swiss franc for Monday, 15th March 2021. So this analysis is for 15th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for Tuesday, 16th March. So this is for Monday only. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that the last traded price of USD CHF US dollar Swiss franc is 0.9292. Okay, let me take out the note to the upside. Okay, so this is the last traded price. Okay, and we can see that, and there is no doubt that market is in beautiful uptrend. And as you can see, uh, in the place of support, I have written 50 MA. So market is trading support in the 50 moving average. That's why I have written 50 MA. So what should be your strategy for the day? Okay, as I always say in my videos, that in a trending market it is very easy to make profit in comparison to the other markets. Okay, but in a trending market, the main thing that we need to focus is the area of value. Okay, we need to find out the area of value so that we can enter and get the best price. So the area of value in a trending market is always near the support. Okay, if the market is an uptrend, and so therefore the area of value for this market is near the support or near the 50 moving average. And we can see that right now market is almost trading at the area of value or the near the support. Okay, so that's a very good news for us. But we need to see one thing. You can see that stochastic RSI is in overbought zone. Okay, as the market is closed right now. Okay, so when the market will open, we just need to keep our eyes on the price and the stochastic RSI. Okay, if the price opens near the 50 moving average, okay, then it's well and good. Okay, just wait for the stochastic RSI to come down or come to the oversold level. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, okay, then just observe the position of the price. Okay, if when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone and it will be ready to go up again like this. Okay, or like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be ready to go up again, okay, then just watch the position of the price. If you see that the position of the price is near the 50 moving average or it is taking support at the 50 moving average, then it is the golden spot to execute the buy order. Just buy right away. Okay, and so this is the simple entry for US dollar Swiss franc for Monday. Okay, and let me tell you or let me show one more thing. Okay, and this line is also or may act as a resistance for the market. Okay, and the resistance level is 0.9375. Okay, so as a new week is about to start, okay, in case after entering the market, if you see some price rejection from above or if you see that price is struggling near the this red line, okay, near the resistance 0.9375, then you can exit from the market. Okay, and if you see that price has beautifully crossed this level. Okay, where is my pencil? Wait, let me change the color to green. Okay, okay, suppose you enter here. Okay, suppose you enter here, and when market will go up. Okay, and if you see some price struggle, okay, if you see that price is struggling hard and the market is no more the trending market, okay, then if you wish to exit from the market, you can exit from the market, or if you want, then you can stay on the market as long as the price is trading above the 50 moving average. That's totally up to you, because the trade and because the greed and fear, okay, greed and fear of every trader varies from person to person. Okay, so it totally depends on you. If you see the struggle, price struggle in this range, you can exit or be on the trade as long as the price is trading above the 50 moving average. And if you see that market has crossed this line beautifully, okay, comfortably, and suppose you have not entered into the market here, okay, then you can go for an entry just above this line. If you have, or if you'll miss this opportunity, okay, then also you can enter into the market here just above this line. Okay, if you see that market has crossed the line and it is trading comfortably enough, the resistance has become the support, then also you can enter just above the line. Otherwise, the best position to enter in a trending market like this is just above the support, and in this case the position will be near the 50 moving average. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for US dollar Swiss franc for Monday. Thank you so much. Hopefully you've understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and good luck. See ya tomorrow again for the market analysis for day after tomorrow, 16th March. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do check out the Forex analysis playlist. Thank you so much.